How to fix QR code scanning not working on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings. Now in setting, scroll down and click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, scroll down and click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search. Click on wireless debugging. You will see QR code is here. So if you want to fix this problem, so turn on or turn off QR code option. After turn on or turn off QR code, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, scroll down. You will see media DRM settings is here. So click on media DRM settings. So make sure update your software. So update software. After update software, so you will see, go back, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, scroll down and click on focus desk desktop made. So turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix QR code scanning not working on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.